I think AI is the big theme for 2023 in big tech, and Microsoft has stolen the lead on Google when it partnered with OpenAI and launched its ChatGPT. And in terms of these two results, I think the headline figures tell the story. So Microsoft revenues up 7%, Google up 3%, and to me, that's my sentiment towards the stock. I think Microsoft is currently winning this race in AI. Google has always had great AI. It's now had to combine brain and deep mind together. It should have done that a long time ago. In a way, in 2022, it had a Kodak moment. It had the leading product, but it kept it aside for fear that it could cannibalize its core business. Now its core business is under massive threat.
I was going to call it an Ericsson Nokia moment, but the same sort of theory effectively, right,
Yeah.
where you have the lion's share of the market and you get just disrupted. Yeah. Do we ever see a day where Bing is not something we sort of snigger at because the search engine has, in the past not been very effective, but in fact in future we Bing everything, we're not Googling, we're Binging. Do you think that is actually possible?
I think everything's on the table at the moment. I think the whole business model for search is changing in the way people pay for it, and I think the product is changing in terms of what you get. In a current Google search, you look at stuff, you have to do a lot of stuff yourself. You have to decide, if I'm buying a pair of shoes, which is the best shoe. But actually, with ChatGPT, with large language models that Google is also, of course, developing, you can have a much clearer answer. And of course, businesses can use AI. Every CEO at the moment should be thinking, what's my AI strategy and how do I plug into ChatGPT and other AI chatbots?
What's my TAM? I love it. I love a technology term. GPT, general purpose technology, for those of you who've never even looked at it.
Yeah.
TAM, my total addressable market, because I get it. I get it. You and Ben Rogoff and others, you're all telling me that it's the big thing for 2023. You're the smart guys. I believe you. Yeah. But where's the big profit for 2023 from AI? Because, do you know, my problem is, Cyrus, not that this is an amazing technology. I get it. The smart people are telling me I'm on board. I'm on board. But where can I make money out of it as a viewer? Because it's all very well having a great thematic, but actually the problem comes in, there's some great alternative meat products out there. There's some great wearable technology products out there. There's some great products you could stick on top of your bicycle handles and video yourself. But a lot of them make absolutely zero money. In fact, a lot of these technologies lose vast amount of money for investors.
Yeah, I think, AI has been kind of like a leading technology for decades, and it's gone nowhere. But I think this is a turning moment. At GlobalData ourselves, we're looking how we can put our entire paywall stuff, plug it into GPT and give clients a better service. And every single company, we know Bloomberg's doing it. We know Bloomberg's, already announced something on Bloomberg GPT. Every single company, not just tech companies or media companies, but all across the board will be looking for it. So in terms of the total addressable market, I think it really is in the trillions. But it's not going to happen in 2023. But of course, investors look beyond 2023. And AI is the big theme. And Microsoft has just edged above Google, but I think there are a number of players in the race. What large language models have proved is that you need a lot of CapEx. So to your point, you need a lot of CapEx, and Google, I would expect, will raise its CapEx significantly now.
Hi, I'm Joanna Bersecci, and thank you for watching. You can check out more of our videos by clicking on the boxes on the screen. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more from CNBC International. Thank you for watching.